Dear students, in this video we will read the story about importance of truth. Once upon a time there lived a boy in a village and his name was Munna. And there were his grandmother, his father and his mother in his family. They lived together. One day Munna was sitting with his grandmother and he asked her that grandma, why my father is so strict? He always abused me. And her grandmother said that, no, there is nothing like that. He loves you a lot. And then Munna said that he is your son, so you will obviously praise him. Then grandmother said that every mother praises her kids. And then they both started laughing. And then mother of Munna arrived there and she asked both of them that what they are talking about. And then grandmother said that nothing special and we want to keep our conversation secret. And then by hearing their conversation, the father of Munna also arrived there. And he started scolding Munna that what are you doing here? You always talk, play or watch TV. Don't you have anything to read or study? Go to your room and do your study. His father said him strictly. And then Munna got up from there and he went to his room and started studying. Munna was actually very upset, and next day he got ready for the school. And when he reached school, he met his friends first. And they started planning something. And he said that today I will do the same as I have planned. And then his friend asked him that Munna, are you sure that there will be no mistake in our planning? And then Munna said that yes, I have planned everything and our plan must be successful. And then the bell rang and all the students went to their classes and they started their study. The teacher was teaching in the class, and after some time the period was over and all the students went out from the class. And when all the students were going to their homes, but Munna and his friends were standing outside the class and they were waiting for Rajan to come. Actually, Rajan was not their friend. And when Rajan was passing by them, then Munna said, stop Rajan, I want to say something. We all want to be your friend. But Rajan was surprised that why they want to be my friends. Then Munna said that I want to be your good friend and that's why I have brought your favorite laddus also. And then they all embraced each other and they started eating laddus. And eating their sweets, they reached near the gate of the school. And Rajan said that my driver has arrived, so I am going home now. Bye to all, and we will meet tomorrow. And when Rajan went from there, Munna and his friends started laughing because they had mixed something in the sweets. That's why Rajan fell ill. He felt pain in his stomach and he was going to washroom again and again. But when we do something wrong to others, then bad things also happen to us. While going back to home, a friend of Munna fell off the cycle and he got injuries. And next day, when they all reached school, they went to their class and the teacher started teaching them. And after the period was over, Munna and his friends were going out from the class and Rajan was also following them. And he asked Munna that why did you do that to me yesterday? And he said that I will complain against you all to my father who is in police. And then the friends of Munna get scared. And they asked Munna that we must feel sorry. But Munna said that when Rajan did wrong to me, then he didn't came to me to say sorry. Then why should I say sorry? But Rajan was not aware of that what he has done wrong to Munna. And then Munna started telling that when some other day any other student rang the bell and at that time you went to the teacher and you told the teacher that Munna did this thing. And in fact, the bell was not rung by me. That mischief was done by someone else. But I got the punishment. Munna said this to Rajan. and he told that the teacher punished me for the mistake which was not done by me. And then Rajan started saying that I didn't do that thing intentionally because I saw you standing near the bell. So I thought that you did this. So I went to the teacher and I told him. But when I came to know the truth, I also came to you to say sorry. But you did not listen anything because you were angry with me. And then Munna looked at the innocent face of Rajan and he felt that Rajan is telling the truth. And he embraced him and he felt sorry for yesterday. So, we learned a lot from this story. One thing is that whenever we do wrong to others, then something wrong will definitely happen to us also. And another thing is that we must always tell the truth. If we don't know about the truth, then we should keep quiet. As Rajan was wrong in the story because he didn't know whether Munna rang the bell or not. He just felt like that and he told the teacher what he felt, but not the truth. So we can know that truth plays an important role in our life.